Alright guys, welcome to the video. Anthony Speciale here with Hawkeye Traders. I want to talk about the USO. This is the United States Oil Fund ETF. I just want to show you guys a very simplistic way of understanding what could be transpiring at key levels, right? I'm a big channel structure guy. It's the way I was really trained to read the market, whether that be big picture or even small picture. And I want to kind of show you here, you could see how we were making some lower highs, and this really for me was just like a real confirmation that we were still heading, significantly lower. You could see we were running a really nice kind of lower high trend line there. But what I saw here off of this channel structure, this gray line here, very specifically. Now we're in this trade inside a program called Big Energy Profits, right? We're short crude oil. We've taken significant profits. But notice how when price pushed lower, okay, and then it made this aggressive gap higher into this channel structure. What happened? Immediate failure. Right? There was immediately no more new buying. So push into resistance, abnormally high buying volume. And the next day the market pushes aggressive, and then notice this huge gap here. So when you see a notable increase in buying volume into an area of resistance or supply, inversely, if you see a notable area, right, of selling volume into an area of support, these could lead to significant reversals. And in this instance, it has. I mean, you could see that even where we are today, we've gapped pretty aggressively, about 7.35% roughly here to the downside. Now, it's not so much the gain, right? What matters is being able to identify when, where, why, and how all of these things are transpiring. That is what makes the difference, the ability to understand. So I want to teach this to you, if you're willing to learn it, all right? I mean, I want to be really just raw about it, okay? Understanding the interaction between volume and price action supersedes all the lagging indicators that you have on your trading chart. Whether you're brand new to trading or you've been doing this for a while, you're probably, and this, I'm only saying this from working with traders now for so long, you're probably looking for some line to cross another or some indicator to flash this buy or sell signal, rather than saying, all right, if I can identify areas of support or resistance, supply and demand, if I can identify which direction the market's going in, if I can identify high volume areas that could potentially be affecting that trend or even reversing it, I can now put the probability in my favor. Because guys, what moves the market is only one single thing, and that is the intention, the aggressive intention of buyers or sellers. All right? So with that being said, you have to understand who the aggressor is, when, where, and why. And in order to do that, you must have indicators, volume indicators specifically, that tell you when that's happening. So I'd like to invite you to a training webinar. I'm going to put a link below this video. We're going to talk about stocks, futures, Forex, cryptocurrencies. We're going to talk about scalping, day trading, swing trading, position trading. We're going to dive into this relationship between volume and price action. From there, I'd like to transition into installing the indicators on your charting platform. All right, once we get them uploaded, we're going to grant you access to the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series. And the reason I want to do that is I want you at your own pace to continually have the opportunity to educate yourself on this topic, because this is the game changer, guys. So click that link below this video. I'll see you inside the training webinar. We're going to talk about all different types of assets, all different types of scenarios where volume and price action, that understanding, that relationship will put the odds in your favor. So I'll see you in that training webinar. God bless, guys. I hope you have a beautiful day.